Hello, everybody.
I'm very happy to be here. Very nice to see you all again. We're going to play a wonderful game called... Stop it! Here's how it works.
Thank you for calling into the park. This is Rob. How can I help you?
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
What? You would like to... I'm sorry?
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
You like to book a room?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on one moment, please.
Yes.
And when would you like the room for?
Tonight.
Tonight? For how many nights?
One night.
Let me see what I have available. Hold on 1 second, please.
Good.
And I have one available for tonight at 149. It is a studio with a king-size bed.
Excellent.
And it's 525 square feet. And
Perfect.
It's got a kitchen. Excuse me?
Perfect.
Okay. Hold on 1 second, please. Let me just set up my reservation screen.
Relax.
Go on.
House.
Enough. So sorry about this.
That's okay. Sounds like my house. I have 4 dogs. Just be 1 second.
Stop it! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
This is a joke. Who is this?
I'm John Kimble.
Huh?
I'm a cop, you idiot. I'm Detective John Kemble.
Okay, this is a joke.
Hey, I'm a police officer.
Okay.
No shit.
Have a good day.
No.